Hey guys, it's Ivy, and this is part 2 of Hobby Lobby journals, home decor. Look what I run into: 75% off pillows, $5.99. Let's see, how much is this one? This one is $6.24. Like they had so much stuff, wall decor, that I could not. I hadn't even got to the clearance stuff. So this might be part 1. So be looking at it as either part 1 or part 2. I'm gonna put them out. But 75% off. Look at that. Pictures for $2.49. That's the Mavericks. They got picture frames for $7.50. I hate when pictures don't stay put. Okay, here's some more stuff for 99¢. I love to stay. And wings. That will make me sad when a dog runs at your whistle for him. Enjoy your day. Okay, it's like, so this stuff is dirt cheap, guys. Dirt cheap. Even if you don't like it, you could get these and redo them. They are so cheap. And it's 75% off. Oh, they got lamps. If you are into lamps, $12. So that's $12 lamp. Okay. Okay. All the knickknacks is on sale. Let's see. It's a good day for dinner. That's $3. Okay. Tons of knickknacks on sale. A lot of it's damaged. Okay. Here's some more of the clearance, which is 75% off. I think this going a tiki bar. Okay, and it's $3.47. Look at that. Whatever it is, it's ugly, but it's $2.99. You can always paint it some way different. Got all type of stuff. Okay. So they had an array of 75% off stuff. It looked like a lot of it was damaged. So be careful when you go to grab those things, because a lot of it looked damaged. Okay. Let's get to the journals and stuff. Let's go find those for the journals and knickknacks and stickers and stuff. So we're gonna find out which aisle to go down for that, and it should be looking at 50% off. Let's see. So I'm just want to start off where we could start off from. So let's start off right here. And as you can see, Paper Studio is 50% off. And here we go. We walk right into agendas. That's empty. You add the stuff into it. Here it is. It's 50% off. So it's $19. It's really $9.99, pardon me. And then you grab the inside to go in it. And you put whatever you want, which is $16.99, but half off of that. So, great deal. You can start doing grabbing those, all of that stuff, which is good. And this is called the Paper Studio. Now, I know you look at my Michael's video, and that's about planners, calendars, and wall decor also. And you're gonna see which one I bought myself. Now here is the Happy Planner. They have the Happy Planner. You could buy a big one, or you could put it together. Okay, I've bought them. They had a big sale at Michael's also, so check that video out if you want to see what's really on sale for the concerning planners, because all of these are empty. Okay, they got and they also got scrapbooks, and this is the Paper Studio also. Scrapbooks. And how much is this? Explore, discover, and travel. $14, but it's 50% off of that. Now you know the new year, that's what it's about. So here's a scrapbook and album for $19.99, also 50% off. So with the Paper Studio, oh look at this one called Boss Babe, and there, and then let's see how much it is, and it's $19. Now that is not how much I saw at Michael's. Okay, so start weighing your options. The Happy Plan, but Michael's did not have all of this, so I'm just giving you different pointers. So the Happy Planner is one. Okay, now let's start comparing. Let's see. Looking for a price on here. Oh, look at that. Planners Gotta Plan. That's pretty. But I don't, guys, see a price. Now, I don't like opening these because I like to crack my planner open myself. So I'm not going to even open this one. But that's how it looked. And it's no price. Now, some of these planners was at Michael's for $19, 20 $27, $32. Now, and remember, they are 18 months and 12 months. Um, you can watch my Michael's video and see which one I picked. But they didn't have no. Here's another one, planner, and oh, $27. Okay, so it's half off of that. That's a 12-month planner, and it's one of the shorter ones. I like my planner to be bigger. So, okay, but this one did not have a price. Nope, didn't have a price. And then you have the little tiny happy planner, which Michaels did not have these. And it's no price on this one either unless I am severely overlooking. I don't see one. So, but anyway, go there half off. And then they got, what's this, Happy Notes. They got one called Happy Notes, and it's just a notebook for them, and it's $10.99, but half of that. So, and this one was kind of open, which I like that. Look at that. The drawings and stuff is real nice. It's versatile. And you just put notes in that one, okay? Which I use just a notebook for that. I'm just going to be honest. That's what I use, a regular notebook. Well, my planner has calendars and everything. Now, what about this? Oh, this is a long notebook. And it's about a happy planner. Be the light that helps others shine. I love that. $10.99, so it's half of that. And you got all of the stuff. You could get it together. You could put her planners together. Okay, here's the Get It Girl. I like that. And this one $9.99. And it's half off of this. Guess what, guys? I am going to grab this. And the reason why I'm going to grab that, it is not going to be for me. It is going to be for the 10th person that tell me what I did, what type of planner I preferred in my Michael's video, and how much I paid for. That's the planner you're going to get. Okay? So make sure you be looking out for it. But here's some more wall decor, Mr. and Miss. Oh, that's pretty. Now that's made out of wood or corrugated wood. I like that. Okay, you could also decorate those. Hey guys, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share my channel. You got all kind of stuff to go on the wall. Memories. Welcome. So I would need these to put on my wall in my dining room. Okay? So this is where all of those um, money envelopes are made, for $1. But also look in the Michael's video and you're gonna see like they had tons of this stuff. They had a really good deal on these right here that people make a lot of those money envelopes out of, and these are 50% off, which is a good deal, and $19.99 for some, $21.99 for some. But you're gonna see why I preferred the other one. Okay, why I preferred the Michael's deal. Michael's has a great deal, so go over there and don't miss it. All of this, if you make money envelopes and sell them, that's been a nice little side hustle for a lot of people. If you make money envelopes and sell them, this is the place to be. At these stores, start looking now. Now let's go to the next aisle. Here, 50% off too. Again, money envelopes. All of this stuff is for money envelopes. If you make those, you want to make journals, you make notebooks to give to people, all of that. Oh, look at that. What is that? 3D dimensional stickers, but 50% off. So you do not have to. Oh, those should be half off right there. And those. Wow, those still up there for regular price. So here we go. We got a couple of these. Look at that. And you want to go, and here it is, 50% off of those. Okay, another thing that was, okay. Oh, look at that, stick a belly. What's that? Whatever it is, it's squishy. Oh yeah, because I can feel it. It's squishy, and it's $3.99, but it's half of that. It's an order of fries. So those are new, whatever those little stickabillies are. Okay, guys, so let's look for some calendars. Okay, Paper Studio, guys. Now I'm here with these. Now this say 14.99, and I love these little washi tape. I was trying to see was this the Paper Studio, because if so, this would be perfect to grab to do your videos in. Okay, so I want to see if this is it, and if so, I would like this one. I like words that papers that say stuff, words, but if not, it's still 14.99 for this whole set right here. 50 pieces, and you got a whole array of them, and they 14.99. Let me see how much these are. Okay, those are 19, and I don't think they on sale either. No, oh, it's by the Paper Studio though. So let's hope that they are. Okay, here's some more of the little stuff that I'm going to get to the calendars, but I just want you guys to see that. And now let's go run and do the calendars and see what's going on, okay? Remaining Christmas stuff is 90% off. Let's see. So $14, so that's like 40 cents. It's not cute. I don't like that. So I guess that's why it's 40% off. Okay, let's see. This say Farm Fresh Christmas trees. I didn't forget about the calendars, guys. We just ran into the Christmas sale. This is 90% off. Okay, I found this, but it say $49, and it's 90% off. We'll see how that'll go. If I don't like the price, I'll put it back. Okay, calendars say $17. Whoa, they ain't even on sale. These ain't even on sale right here. Tiger what? Okay, Nature's Inspiration. So they got more inspirational calendars, um, animal calendar, Nature's Fill Your Heart with Joy. I don't know really proud of the calendar section, guys, at all. Okay, guys, so that's the end of our shopping. Let's see, I'm going to see how much this is. I'm going to get that as my giveaway, and I'm going to see how much this was, and then I'm going to grab these. So that's my little Hobby Lobby haul. I hope you all enjoyed these two Hobby Lobby videos. Thank you for tuning in. Like, subscribe, and share my channel. Bye.